20 years of journey of Arch College has been a very rewarding experience for me personally. While we started as an institute offering vocational programs, vocational because that was the need of the hour. But if design was there attached to the vocation, it meant something much more. Design itself is a world that opens a whole new realm of opportunities. Design is something that inspires for positive thought and action. Design, which initially started with more of looking at engineering products, then came into the world of luxury, and products were designed for people with their needs were very special. And then came in the mass market. So design went into the masses. It created products, designers created products for the masses. And with masses came in a lot of experience. And experience became a part of design then. Later on, we saw that communications became very deeply closely associated with design. So design, and when you can look at, it has got a larger meaning. It touches human lives in terms of our products around us. It touches us at the level of experience. It touches us at the level of different kind of communication that we see around us. Today, when we look at the digital products which are around us, I'm sure you must be inspired now looking at what this new future is going to build and how design is now going to shape up the new world. While the digital products have been completely disruptive, art has been a part of this complete journey. And yes, today we feel that design, more than just products, needs to be a culture. We've been talking about a heritage, we've been talking about a tradition when we talk about culture. But we need to today look at design as a culture. Design, why? Because design starts with empathy. Design starts with really knowing the deeper meaning of why we are doing this. And do we really need this? And if it starts with empathizing and it actually ends with what's truly relevant, are we creating products that are relevant? Are they really sustainable? Are they circular? Is it really serving the nature and mankind? So there are a lot of these questions that design needs to constantly answer, and designers will need to take the responsibility. And your Arch, in these 20 years of our journey, in fact, we've finished 21 years of our journey, we have been constantly into this inquiry, shaping our young minds, people who come to us from all over India, who come and study here at Arch in this beautiful city of Jaipur, which is the pink city, the pink heart, the heart of craft and tradition and heritage. And a city which is also the most creative city, as UNESCO has actually coined it. And this is a place where a lot of these young minds, almost around 10,000 of them, have actually nurtured their careers into professionals and entrepreneurs. And we are very proud that our team of experts, our faculty members, right from our administration staff to our experienced faculty who've actually invested themselves completely into nurturing these young minds. We have seen that our students have really made us proud. Proud because they are people who truly believe in responsible future. They are the ones who are leading the path, and we want to create this as a part of the culture, the design culture, where we want to take this to the masses. We want to take it to the school students much earlier when they're at the middle school level. And if design can do this to all of us, and if this culture can be built, I think we're soon going to be in a world where we are going to be safe, we're going to be having a harmonious living, and there will be much better opportunities for all of us. I thank my team specifically because they are the ones who've been together with me in this journey of 21 years. And they have actually helped me shape Arch College of Design and Business where it is today. We are international in nature. We are connected with the best institutions from across the globe. With the best minds, we are working together on collaborative projects. We are ensuring that we get into research, we are working on products and ideas, and we are constantly exploring innovative ways of doing and thinking. So, I want to congratulate all our students, our staff, our team members who have been with us in this journey of 21 years and have shaped Arch College of Design and Business and our young minds. Thank you so much.